Running a business is tough, and it's tougher if you need catch-up bookkeeping and you have not done your bookkeeping up to date. We could go ahead and help you fix that. Getting your business finances is step number one for us to fix any type of problem in the future, whether it's to get you caught up in tax filings or if you're dealing with an IRS tax problem. And you cannot move forward unless you organize your financials and get the bookkeeping in order. The major goal of the bookkeeping is to put together your historical data of information, whether it's from bank accounts, credit cards, checking accounts, savings accounts for the business, and organizing them into financial statements, which is the profit and loss statement, gross income minus expenses, and what's net profit. This way we can proceed with tax filings, whether you're a single member LLC, a sole proprietor, self-employed person, or you run an S corp or C corp. And once we fix the historical books, we could go ahead and keep you up to date and have the ongoing bookkeeping. With today's technology and AI, there are definitely a lot of shortcuts that could be legally taken in order for you to catch you up. To get things started, we would definitely want to review your situation to see if it makes sense for us to provide a service. If so, you can call 24/7 and you could schedule your appointment or go ahead and book online. We look forward to helping you.